On behalf of Captain Polyplast Limited and Bombay Stock Exchange, I welcome you all and thank you for taking time out for this listing ceremony early this morning. To start the proceedings, I request our dignitaries to kindly join me on the dais. Welcome with me, first of all, Mr. Ramesh Kicharia, Chairman and Managing Director, Captain Polyplast Limited. Thank you, sir. Requesting now the presence of Mr. Nehal Vora, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSE Limited. Inviting next on the dais, Mr. Gopal D. Kicharia, Whole-Time Director, Captain Polyplast Limited. Next we have with us Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment, BSE Limited. And now, inviting Mr. Gaurav Jain, Director, HEM Securities. As we begin with the event, I would request Mr. Ramesh Kicharia to lead us in the lamp lighting ceremony along with the members on the dais. Eager to know more about the company, I now request Mr. Gaurav Jain, Director, HEM Securities Limited, to kindly come and say a few words and share his insights on Captain Polyplast Limited and the IPO.
Shri Nehal Vora ji, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSE Limited, Ajay Thakur ji, Head SME, BSE SME, dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the issuer company, Captain Polyplast Limited, and the lead manager, HEM Securities Limited, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to the listing ceremony of the equity shares of Captain Polyplast Limited on SME platform of BSE. On this special date, 11, 12, 13, which comes once in 1,000 years. HEM Securities is proud to get associated with this company, which have always provided very timely all documents, and we have completed this IPO in 4 months' time after meeting them. Would like to give a brief introduction about the company. They have been into existence since last 16 years. ISO 9001-2008 certified company, and they are basically into manufacture and supply of micro irrigation systems and allied products. I would like to give a detail about the IPO. The IPO was of 90,80,000 equity shares, which was opened on 26th November and closed on 28th November. The same was oversubscribed by 1.4 times, and we got a very overwhelming response from the retail investors. It is my privilege to place on records our sincere appreciation for the support and guidance that we have received throughout this process from the BSEIndia team, especially Mr. Ajay Thakur. Mr. Thakur is the driving force behind HAME Securities to convince us to come on the SME IPO space and start doing work, and today we have close to 8 to 10 mandates on this. Also, it is my duty to thank all the intermediaries that were involved in the entire process, the legal advisors, JP Matthew and Associates, our bankers, SDFC Bank, Orient Press, Mr. Mahesh Jain of Orient Press. He has been again a very supportive person to provide us prospectus even at the end hour. All of the intermediaries, thank you so much. Also, a very special thanks to all the investors for reposing their faith and investing in this IPO. Friends, Captain Polyplast Limited, under the dynamic leadership of all these promoters, Ramesh Bhai, Gopal Bhai, Kantiral Bhai, Ashok Bhai, they are on a new growth path, and I am very sure that from the they are definitely going to receive benefits of listing and support from the investing community. The company is going to scale to a new high. From HAME Securities, sir, we would like to wish Captain Polyplast Limited and the entire stakeholders a very prosperous future ahead. Thank you.
Now to hear it from none other than the Chairman and Managing Director himself, I call Mr. Ramesh Khicharia, Captain Polyplast Limited.
Good morning. I welcome Mr. Hemal Vora, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSE, Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head, BSE SME, Mr. Gaurav Jain from HAME Security, Lead Manager to the issue, SharePro, our Registrar to the issue, our Statutory Auditor, our Company Secretary, our legal advisor, our bankers to the issue. I welcome all of you in this grand occasion of listing ceremony of our company on the BSE SME platform. I would like to thank all the esteemed investors who have shown great interest and faith on us and invested in our company. I assure them that in the future, company will strive to create maximum wealth and value for the investor. I would like especially thank Mr. Thakur sir, who have motivated and inspired for this IPO. Today is an important day for us in our corporate journey. I believe that this will be the stepping stone for the growth and development of our company in future. 16 years ago, we have started this company with a very small and only one product, that was the HDP pipe with a production capacity of 250 metric tons only. Gradually, we added the many products, and now after 15 years, our company, we have added complete range of micro irrigation system like drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation and mini sprinkler irrigation. Today our company is producing complete solution for micro irrigation system, and our company becomes the very reputed name in the micro irrigation system. We are operating many states. Main focus was in the Gujarat state, we have covered more than 60,000 hectares in micro irrigation and installed successfully 60,000 hectares in Gujarat states. We are also operating Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Haryana, Punjab and Chhattisgarh. Now with this IPO, we are planning to expand our production capacity. We are going to import the 2 more lines for manufacturing of flat drip line. After expansion of this capacity, we will be able to produce the 9 crore meters of drip line. It means our total capacity would be 18 crore meters. And with this expansion, we will also have the many new range of product, that is the flat drip line. So with this expansion, we are also planning to cater the more market in the some other states like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and eastern states of the country. So our company, and as you know that in the micro irrigation sector in the country is growing at a rate of more than 30%. So we are planning to cater that growth in our company, and we assured that our investor and all the persons who are connecting with us that we will create the good growth and good value for the investor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We would now love to hear what a great body like BSE has to say about this IPO. Requesting Mr. Nehal Vora to kindly come and say a few words.
So I wish you all a very good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on the listing of the well-known irrigation equipment providing company, Captain Polyplast Limited, on the BSE SME platform today. We are pleased to have with us the board and the management of Captain Polyplast and the merchant bankers. Firstly, I would like to offer my heartiest congratulations to Captain Polyplast on the success of the public offer, which has been oversubscribed by 1.41 times. The qualified institutional investor has been subscribed 1.38 times, which is kind of unique for really the SME sector. This really shows the perception of the fundamentals of these institutional investors. Also, the non-institutional portion has also been oversubscribed. Basically, what I have been told is Captain Polyplast has been established profoundly within a few years as a prominent brand in the industry with newer ideas and exceptional quality products in domestic and international markets. It is known to be a pioneer in importing irrigation components from international markets to cater to a wider range of irrigation-related needs. The demand for these products are seen as an upward movement in India, and I'm sure Captain Polyplast Limited would play a vital role in fulfilling these demands. A lot has changed in BSE since its inception in 1875. It is the oldest exchange in Asia and the second oldest in the world, but there's a lot of newer technology and innovation which is being witnessed in the last 3 or 4 years at the BSE. What hasn't changed in BSE is BSE's position as a pioneer and a premier stock exchange in India. With time, BSE has been able to cut the trading speed from 300 milliseconds to just 10 milliseconds. BSE Limited is the world's largest exchange in terms of the number of listed companies, and I'm pleased to welcome the entire group of Captain Polyplast to this elite group. This international convention hall where we all are seated has witnessed many momentous occasions since its inception in 1875. BSE Limited is also the world's largest exchange in terms of the listed company, and I'm once again pleased to welcome Captain Polyplast to this family. The exchange expects the company to generate good results to ensure transparency and objectivity and higher levels of corporate governance so that the growing family of investors would grow by leaps and bounds to maximize their wealth. I would once again like to extend my best wishes to Captain Polyplast Limited and the entire team for this joyous occasion. I wish them all the success to realize its goals. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vora. And now, to add to his words, I would like to invite Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment, BSE Limited.
Honorable MD and Chairman Sri Ramesh ji, Director Sri Gopal ji, our Chief Regulatory Officer Sri Nehal Vora ji, Executive Director Game Security Sri Gaurav Jain ji, and distinguished guests. In fact, I have been interacting with Sri Ramesh ji for last 8 to 9 months. And the journey starts with a seminar in Rajkot, whereby a lot of SME companies had come, and I had given a presentation on BSE SME to convince the people sitting there about the benefits of listing on the SME platform. And there I have an introduction with Ramesh ji, and after that I followed him a lot. I called him 4 or 5 times. And after that Ramesh ji once came to BSE, and he discussed with me a lot about the benefits of listing, about pros and cons, etc. So I tried to convince him a lot. And after that he told me that okay, he will get listed. So he went back to Rajkot. And when I had not got the feedback for 3-4 days, so again I called him. And sometimes because he is a businessman, he has to go here and there. So I was calling him time and again. So sometimes I feel that he may have got irritated, but it has not happened. But after a continuous follow-up, कहते हैं ना कि बार बार जपो तो राम मरा से राम हो जाता है, तो same thing has happened, and ultimately I was able to convince Ramesh ji to get listed on BSE SME platform. It's a great company, very good company. In fact, more or less, Ramesh's journey with Captain Polyplast and my journey with Bombay Stock Exchange is quite same. And I have a full conviction in Ramesh ji. I know that how I had gone to his company, I had seen the company. It's a very good company. And I am quite sure that this company will grow in leaps and bounds under the able guidance of Ramesh ji and Gopal ji. He will maintain all sort of corporate governance. And one day BSE SME will be proud of having Captain Polyplast listed on Bombay Stock Exchange. I wish you all the best, sir. I hope the investors and all other people who will be associated with you also create wealth out of your company. Today you have got 200 crore company, maybe in 5 years to come, your business grow by 3 times, 4 times. And I wish you all the best in your journey. May God bless you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, gentlemen. With this, we are a little closer to the bell ringing ceremony. But before we do that, let's formally appreciate the efforts of all those who made this IPO a reality. I request Mr. Nehal Vora, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSE Limited, to now present a memento to Mr. Ramesh Kicharia, Chairman and Managing Director, Captain Polyplast Limited. I request Mr. Ramesh Kicharia to now step forward to present a line of mementos. Inviting first Mr. Nehal Vora, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSE Limited. Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment, BSE Limited. Mr. Gaurav Jain and Prateek Jain, Directors, Haim Securities Limited. Legal Advisor, Jobby Matthew and Associates. Okay, moving forward. Statutory Auditor, Messrs. P. Ghanshyam and Company. Peer Auditor, Messrs. SVK and Associates. Next is Registrar, SharePro Services India Private Limited. Printer, Orient Press Limited. Okay, we have a lot of missing people today. Banker, HDFC Bank Limited. Practicing Company Secretary, Mrs. Sumit Mutha. Practicing Company Secretary, Mr. Kishore Tudhatra. Advertising and PR Agency, Pressman Advertising Limited. Chief Manager, SBI, Mr. Nand Kishore Singh. Chief Manager, SBI, Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar. Okay, a lot of mementos will have to travel to the people today. May I now request Mr. Anil Kaushik, General Manager Marketing, Captain Polyplast, to kindly come and give us the vote of thanks.
Good morning, all the dignitaries and ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Anil Kaushik, Marketing General Manager, Captain Polyplast Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I do congratulate Mr. Ramesh Bhai Kichadia, Mr. Gopal Bhai Kichadia, and others of the directors, officials and staff of Captain Polyplast Limited for their sincere efforts and hard work to brought out this maiden public issue and got it oversubscribed nearly 1.5 times of value projected in BSE SME segment. I am sincerely thankful and congratulate to all these people. Further, on behalf of Captain Polyplast Limited, I give vote of thanks to all those who have supported us. I fairly do congratulate and thankful to all those people who have given unconditional supports and enormous help and shown full confidence in us during this venture of public issue and help us made it successful. First of all, I very thankful to Mr. Nehal Vora, Chief Regulatory Officer, BSE Limited, for their valuable suggestions and kind support. Thank you, sir. Next, I go to Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME Segment, BSc Limited for their proper guidance and evaluation suggestions. Thank you, sir. I proceed to our lead manager, Mr. Gaurav Jain, Director, Ham Security. Thank you, sir, for your proper guidance and support. I would like to sincere thanks to our legal advisor, Jobby Matthew and Associates, for their huge supports and proper guidance to make us successful in this venture. Thank you, sir. I would like to thanks to Mr. P. Ghanshyam and company, our strategy auditor, to give us proper support and guidance. Thank you, sir. I am very thankful to our registrar, SharePro Services India Private Limited, for their huge support and unconditionally suggestions and valuable suggestions. Further, I will sincere thanks to our banker HDFC for their huge supports and valuable suggestions. I would like to thanks to Mr. Orient Press Limited for their huge supports and valuable suggestions. Thank you, sir. I would like to thanks to our advertising and PR agency, Pressman Advertising Limited, for their unconditional supports and valuable suggestions. My sincere thanks to our Chief Manager SBI, Ms. Das Kishore Singh, for their kind supports. Thank you, sir. I would like to thanks to Chief Manager RM ME SBI, Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar, for their proper guidance and helping us to make this issue successful. Thank you, sir. Further, I would like to give thanks to people who have supported us. Last but not least, I would like to thank all those invitees who are here for giving their precious times and supported and appreciate our efforts, shown great confidence in us. Thanks to all. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We would now like to play you a short video on Captain Polyplast Limited. Here's the video for you.
The stream that cuts across every territory has given us a leash of life. With time, it had changed its course, but only to make life forever. This stream has taken its course. It has gifted mankind a vast land of fertile soil. This has been the ground on which human life and civilizations have flourished. Today, these civilizations have spread to beyond, and a new stream of life is the real need of the hour. In ways more than one, we are the answer to this need. We bring to humankind the new stream, which brings along fertile soil wherever we take our course. We are Captain. Based at Rajkot city of Gujarat, India, the leading manufacturer of various pipes and the pioneer in India, manufacturing all forms of irrigation systems. Captain is an ISO 9001-2008 certified group of companies which manufactures a range of irrigation systems and pipes under Captain Polyplast and a wide range of piping solutions under the name of Captain Pipes. We are a national award-winning company for outstanding performance in this sector. The company is felicitated with National Award, Indira Gandhi Priyadarshini Award, and Udyog Patra Award. The managing director of the company received these awards with pride. It is primarily the quality of our products, the concern for innovation, and reliability of our services which have won us great repute in the domestic and international market. With over 20 years of experience in the field, Our MD, Mr. Ramesh Kicharia, incepted the company in 1997. He has given Captain the stature of a pioneer and market leader with his valuable insights about the sector and in-depth knowledge about the products and maintenance of its quality. He is an agriculture engineer by qualification, and before forming the group, he had wealth of experience of 7 years in the agriculture sector. Mr. Gopal Kicharia, the director of Captain Group, is also actively contributing in the growth of the company. Today, Captain is a premium group of companies with an annual production capacity of 30,000 metric tons, which is increasing every year. Heralding a new revolution in irrigation system, Captain Polyplast introduced a range of high-quality drip irrigation systems, integral drip laterals, dripper, and a varying range of fittings, which are manufactured from latest technology imported from USA and Israel. Besides that, Captain Pipes manufactures UPVC plumbing pipes, UPVC pressure pipes, UPVC casing pipes, HDPE pipes, UPVC column pipes, and a range of UPVC fittings using the latest German technology. Captain Pipes manufactures our flagship product, UPVC column pipe Vajra, which is renowned for its unbreakable quality. This UPVC column pipe is also having unique and first time ever in India the feature of inbuilt locking system. In this sector, we are also the manufacturer of quality sprinkler irrigation system and the highly efficient mini sprinkler irrigation system. With the complete range of pipes and irrigation systems, Captain has truly enriched the quality of life of many farmers across the country. And the quality that we spread is deeply imbibed in our manufacturing processes. At our 12,500 square yard manufacturing unit, we employ fully automated extrusion machines of latest German technology. This helps us ensure consistency in quality right from the first stage of manufacturing.
Sorry to cut the video short. Ladies and gentlemen, the most awaited moment of the ceremony has arrived. Members on the dais, kindly proceed towards the bell. We're close. Let the countdown begin. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Captain Polyplast Limited is now listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange.
you.